Today I'm going to demonstrate how to communicate with West, Cal MaxView and PMA products using this comms to USB adapter, which plugs into the PC via USB. It's a comms to USB converter, and you'll need a different lead to plug into it according to which product you have. Once you've plugged into the adapter, you'll then need to set these DIL switches according to the product using the adapter configuration sheet. The West instrument lead part number is conv00PS000000. The MaxView instrument lead part number is conv000000MV. The PMA instrument lead part number is conv0000BP0000. I will now demonstrate how to connect the P6100 controller to the adapter and set the switches. Plug that end into the bottom of the controller and the other end into the adapter. That can now plug into the PC. And you have to set these switches accordingly. I'll now show how to connect the MaxView. It's a different lead, and this one is micro USB. Again, plug it into the bottom of the controller and the other end into the adapter. USB lead to the other end of the adapter, and again into the PC. The DIL switches on the adapter are the same for MaxView as they are for TB45. However, you will need to change them for the P6100 and other Plus series controllers. I'll now show how to plug in the TB45. Again, you'll need a specific lead, and this one plugs in via the front panel. It clips in, and then this goes in to the adapter so you can plug into PC. The part number for the universal configuration adapter is conv-BA000000. I'm now going to show how to install the drivers for this adapter, and it's the same drivers for all the products. You're installing the driver for this adapter.